Hello, this is Arthur, who is working at the NAMUGA as a global sales, and our company is specialized in the advanced camera module and also vision connectivity. So today, I'm happy to introduce about some of our key sensing module. Gonna be the RGB plus ITOF, and another one is camera for drone. Okay, so this is the module, and inside there are two cameras. The first one is ITOF, and the other one is RGB, and both resolution is VGA. And this camera, as you can see, there is a person. It comes with like skeleton joints, and also outputs RGB and the 3D depth data as well. So it could, there's a number that says, so it shows the distance from the camera to the object. And especially for the body, there are like 32 joints of body tracking, and also for the hand, there are like 40 joints for the body track. So it's gonna be deployed in the like many industry, like robotics, or the automation of the factory, and also retail, smart retail, and also it can check the people who are moving, it's gonna be analyze the behavior of the people. So it could be like good for the so many application as well. Okay, for the next, this is the RGB camera module for drone, and it comes with like 3 key points. And the first one, it delivers like 200 megapixel, which means very clear and superior image quality. And the second one, this lens is super telescope, so it can detect and catches very tiny thing, even though the distance is very far away. And the third one, this is autofocus. So the conventional drone camera is a fixed focus, but now this autofocus camera can help to tracking and also detecting in automatic way. That's all for today. So if you need more information, you can visit our website, namuga.com. Thank you.